Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. If you don't know where you're going, anywhere will do. I never cease to be amazed at the fact that so often leaders of organizations do not set clear goals. The consequence is confusion and increased chaos at all levels and for all functions. Think about it. As humans, we're built to pursue a goal. We have eyes in our head which point forward and a frame to carry us towards that which we see and wish to pursue, whether literally or figuratively in our vision. Far beyond any other creature on this good earth, we humans are capable, through language, of organizing ourselves into collectives in pursuit of a common end. Why then do we so often fail to clearly articulate what that end is, let alone what we need to do to achieve it? To me, the purpose of a goal statement is to align everyone engaged with whatever it is that you collectively seek to have happen in the world. We should not consider a goal statement as a target. So instead of this by then, we should be stating at least this by no later than. If expressed in this way, the goal can do some work in encouraging the team to continually be on the prowl for more significant accomplishments and more emphatic victories. The goal statement is like the lead bike in the peloton. It creates the slipstream in which the other riders support the team's cycle to victory. A good goal statement is simply put and can be understood whether in the boardroom or on the shop floor. The goal statement is doing its work when we can measure any decision we take by the degree to which that decision moves us closer to or further from our goal. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.